Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to check a string represent an integer or not. So given a string as an input to the Python program, so you should check if it is an integer or not. So let's try to solve this. So let me take a text as a variable and let me use input function and ask a user to enter a string. So let's say enter a string. Yes, once the user enters a string, so it will be stored in variable text. So once we get the string, so let's use a try block to check if the string is of type integer or not. So let's use another variable result equals to. So let's try to use type conversion, and I'll be using integer function to convert the string type to an integer. So let's pass input argument as text. So yeah, so once this succeeds, so let's try to print it is a integer using the else block. So let's use expect block here over here, and let's try to catch the value error. So if this is not an integer, so let's print string does not represent an integer. Yeah, so this is the failure scenario, and for successful scenario, so let's print string represents an integer. So let me copy paste from here. Yeah, so this is the complete Python code. So let me remove this result. So we generally do not require a integer type, that is a result. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter a string. So let's say hello. So you can see string does not represent an integer has been printed for the failure scenario. So let me run it again. So let's say 1024. So you can see string represents an integer has been printed because 1024 is an integer. Executing again, let's say 55. So you can see string represents an integer. So let's give some hello 123. So you can see string does not represent an integer because it already contains a string, that is hello, inside it. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to check if a string represents an integer or not. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.